आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Sherlin and Danju are playing a Ludo at a home during Covid-19. While rolling a dice, Sherlin's sister Raji observed and noted the possible outcomes of the throw every time belongs to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let A be the set of the players while B be the set of the all possible outcomes. And A is the set of the players, that is Sherlin and Danju, and B is the set of the possible outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Raji wants to know the number of the relations possible from A to B and how many number of relations are possible. So here we have given A, which is the set of the players, that is Sherlin and Danju, and we have also given B, which is a set of the all the possible outcomes on a dice, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here we have to find number of relation from A to B. So number of relation from A to B, then it is, we know, 2 power number of element in A into number of element in B. So here we can see number of element in A is 2 and number of element in B is 6. So when we calculate, then it will be 2 power number of element A is 2 and number of element in B is 6. So here number of relation from A to B is 2 power 12. So the given option is D. So D is our right answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।